Hello, it's Blake Tucker with Booze Freaks, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. Today we're making a ginger whiskey sour. Slightly more advanced than a regular whiskey sour, not that much more difficult to make. All you need for that is ginger syrup. Fairly easy to make. It's 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, brought to a boil in a pan, and then add, I call it about 2 inches of ginger. It's about this much ginger. Cut that into wheels and drop it in the boiling liquid and let it boil for 6 to 8 minutes. Let it cool and strain it, and then you're good to go. You can put it in a bottle and you have ginger syrup. So, let's make a ginger whiskey sour. We'll start off with 3/4 of an ounce of ginger syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and 2 ounces of bourbon. If you have it, Angostura orange can add a little extra to this drink, so 2 dashes of that. Add some ice and shake. You can just pour that wholesale into your glass. Garnish with a candied ginger wheel. Let's give it a try. There's a really nice ginger finish on that as well from the syrup. If you enjoyed this video, please follow me on Instagram and YouTube. If you didn't know, I'm also the beverage director for Taste Catering. We've created Hospitality Helps in partnership with Meals on Wheels in San Francisco. We are providing meals to families and people in need during the pandemic. Please check it out and donate if you can. Thanks for watching.
Dude, this drink is totally awesome.